what's your name?
My name is Sushmita Dasgupta.
वेलकम टू खबर समय में।
Thank you.
कॉन्क्लेव का जो मुद्दा है, काफी सारे लोगों से हमने बात की और बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीके से उन्होंने हमसे एक्सप्लेन किया। लेकिन आपसे ये सवाल है कि इस साल का जो टैगलाइन है टी फॉर यूथ, तो आप उसको उस बारे में क्या बताना चाहेंगे?
Can I answer in English? My Hindi is not that good. Yeah. Okay, great. So I have been doing a lot of tea-related workshops, toilet sessions in Bangalore for last 10 years. I'm a tea artist. I teach tea appreciation, and over the period of time, what I have understood that the youth of India does not know what Indian tea is all about. They don't know where to source the tea. They don't know how to make the tea. They don't know how to drink the tea. And therefore, last 1 year, I started a school called Indian School of Tea in Bangalore, where I am giving this kind of education. For this particular event, Tea for Youth, I actually run a pan-India survey to really ask this question to the young people, the Gen Zs as we call, and the Gen Alpha. What do they think about tea? So we have some of the insights which are absolutely astonishing and goes beyond what people are thinking about them thinking about tea. Like, a lot of people think that the young people think tea is an old people's drink. That's what the young people think, but it's not correct. Our survey shows that the young people also think tea to be fun, to be part of a knowledge kind of a stuff, and they love to drink tea which is healthy and sustainable. And there's a very, very clear cut distinction between what the people from the metro cities and people from non-metro cities think. The men and the girls, completely different thoughts. So very interesting thing came out from the survey, and I think tomorrow I have a session, so I think we will discuss all that, and it will give us an idea about how to perhaps keep these things in mind and create a program that would make people fall in love back with tea as we had been.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
हमने बात की यहाँ के बहुत